It is spring in the Northern Hemisphere, and what that means for many bike shops is that you're gonna be building bikes. And one of the things you're gonna wanna do is build them efficiently. So relatively quickly, but in a quality manner. Something that can kind of give you a little bit of a pause or a little hiccup in your build process is distinguishing right versus left-hand pedals. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 different methods on how to identify a right-hand pedal and how to identify a left-hand pedal. All right, so I just picked up these pedals. The number one most surefire way to identify right versus left-hand pedal is to look at the threads. So I'm going to look at it from the same perspective here. This pedal, these threads are sloped up to the right, and up to the right means it's a right-handed thread. That means you're going to turn it clockwise and it's going to thread in and tighten. This one is sloped up to the left, which indicates that it is a left-handed thread. So you're going to tighten that counterclockwise. That's a surefire way. Every pedal is going to tell you that. The next method is going to be pretty consistent. There's going to be a lot of pedals that you look at, and there's going to be markings on them. On this one, you can see it says DRR, right-handed thread. DCRL, left-handed thread. So the second one would be they're labeled. The third method is my favorite and I feel like the most efficient. You can look at a pile of pedals like this, you can pick 2 pedals up, and you can identify that this is the left-handed pedal and this is the right-handed pedal. And you just watched me identify it. It was extremely easy. You're gonna notice that there's a difference. This one has a wrench flat, this one has a wrench flat too. This wrench flat has these little lines on it. Well, maybe call it a knurl if you want, but little lines, and this one's smooth. The left-hand pedal is typically marked in some way like that, with knurling or grooves or something like that, where the right-handed pedal is smooth. Let's show another example of this. Here's 2 Crank Brothers pedals. We're gonna pull these up, and I barely looked at these and I can already know that this is the left-handed pedal and this is the right-handed pedal. Smooth, groove, smooth, groove. You can tell right away. Same thing with these pedals, these Speed Play Frogs. This Speed Play Frog has a groove in it, this one does not. Left-hand pedal, right-hand pedal. There's 3 ways to identify. One way is extremely efficient. So I hope this helps you today. Get out there, play with bikes, get your hands or your gloves dirty, and we'll see you next time on the Park Tool YouTube channel.